Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Biology by Jamil Goraya. In Cambridge International O-Level Biology, drawing the diagram is an essential skill that helps not only in P2 theory paper but also in P4 ATP. Students can secure full marks in drawing question if they follow instructions by Cambridge and the examiner. Dear students, today we will be discussing how a perfect drawing can be made in P4 ATP Biology O-Level. First of all, let's see what Cambridge guides us about drawing. Read the question carefully and follow the instructions given by the examiner. The drawing should be neat and clean with clear continuous line. Always use a sharp pencil. The drawing should be having same orientation and dimensions as given by the examiner in question. It must include all the details, but you have to avoid shading. Shading is not allowed in drawing. If examiner says to draw a larger diagram, then your drawing must be at least 7 to 8 centimeter in the length or width or size. Now let's draw some diagrams. Then we will be able to see what Cambridge and the examiner actually wants from the students. Now look at this ATP question. This is a photomicrograph of section of a celery plant. In the space below, make a large drawing of the plant section as it appears in the photomicrograph. This is given space for the answer, and we have to follow the instructions given by Cambridge. The distance between point A and B on the given diagram is almost 4.5 centimeter or 45 millimeters. So our drawing must be at least 90 millimeter or 9 centimeter. So by using a sharp pencil, let's do the first step, that is making a clear, neat, continuous outline as given in the diagram. The outer layer is darker one. We can't shade, so we will make this thick darker layer by drawing another outline outside the already drawn. This is how we make thick outer layer. As a detail, now we have to draw the vascular bundles that are visible in the given diagram. We will make vascular bundles exactly as given in the diagram by examiner without shading. As final step, we will complete the detail of scalloped edges. Now you can see the final result, that how we made a larger diagram of the given celery plant by the examiner. Now let's look at the examiner's marking scheme. The diagram should be clear, clean, and continuous line drawn with a sharp pencil. No shading, 90 millimeter width, concave bottom outer edge, scalloped upper edge, detail of the ridges on the upper edge, double line on the scalloped upper edge, delimited bumps, and vascular bundles drawn. Our drawing is exactly same what Cambridge asked in marking scheme. Now consider this second example. Fig 2.1 shows part of the shoot of a pea seedling. An examiner is asking to make a large drawing in the space below of the pea seedling as it appears in the Fig 2.1. We will follow the same instructions. The diagram shown is almost 4.5 centimeter in the length, so we will draw double than it. Using a sharp pencil, we will make a neat, clean, clear outline in the same dimension, no shading. The size or the length is almost double than the given diagram, and number of leaves are exactly the same as in the diagram given. Dimension is same, detail is same. Let's see the marking scheme by examiner. Clean, clear outlines drawn with a sharp pencil, no ruled line, no shading, minimum size 90 millimeter, detail of the stem, double line, one main stem, three branches, number of leaves minimum seven, bottom left lower branch two and leaves delimited, and correct position of the tendrils. This drawing is exactly same what was asked by the examiner and you have seen in the marking scheme as well. I have practically shown you how you have to draw a perfect drawing according to the instructions given by Cambridge examiner. I hope this video will help you secure full marks in drawing and overall secure A and A star grade in exams. Like the video, share it with other students. Keep watching Biology by Jamil Goraya. Best of luck and thank you.